The media streamer market is at saturation point with multiple devices available from all of the big names. There's Apple TV, Amazon Fire Sticks and boxes, Android TV units, and of course there's Google Chromecast. And then there's Roku. With a couple of devices to choose from, their budget Roku Premiere is particularly interesting. It costs under $50, it streams in 4K video and seems to have an app for every service you can think of, and quite a few you can't. Thanks to Plex, we've got a Roku Premiere HD HomeRun Duo, a HD TV antenna and a LIFETIME Plex Pass to give away to one lucky winner. Stay to the end to learn more about that. First, let's look at how Roku Premiere shapes up. I'm Christian from Make Use Of, and this is the Roku Premiere. It's a tiny thing measuring just 3.3 by 1.4 by 0.7 inches and weighing a feather-light 1.28 ounces. Inside there is a quad-core Cortex-53 CPU with 1 GB of RAM and 512 MB of app storage. The Roku Premiere features a single micro USB power port, a recessed reset button, and a HDMI port. Incredibly, the device supports 4K streaming via this port. For 4K UHD TVs, the Roku streams up to 2160p at 60 frames per second FPS, which is 3840 by 2160 resolution, with upscaling from 720p and 1080p. It also streams in HDR10 quality to 4K UHD HDR TVs. Both of these options rely on your TV having a HDMI input that supports HDCP 2.2. If your TV doesn't do 4K, don't worry, as the Roku Premiere can stream 1080p as well. This compact device ships in a suitably tiny box. Inside you'll find a USB power adapter and removable lead, remote control with 2 AAA batteries, an adhesive strip, a surprisingly short HDMI cable, and the Roku Premiere itself. Thanks to the length of the HDMI cable, the optimal position for the Roku Premiere seems to be attached to your TV using the adhesive strip. If your HD TV has a 5V USB port, then you can power the Roku Premiere from this, otherwise use the mains adapter. The adhesive strip is strong enough to attach the Roku Premiere to the top or bottom of your TV. It should also attach to the side. Just be sure to stick it to a flat, consistent surface. Hooking up the Roku Premiere to Wi-Fi is straightforward, as is the entire setup process. In fact, everything about this unit, from the compact size and ergonomic remote control to the simplicity of the user interface, makes it ideal for pretty much anyone, certainly all but the most tech averse. Another example is this fabric tab on the remote battery compartment. Makes it easy to just quickly remove and change your batteries, and everything about Roku designed with usability in mind. It's a wonderful philosophy which gets a big thumbs up from me. Setting up the Roku is a straightforward process. First, hook it up. Second, add it to your home network. Third, activate it. And fourth, just add the channels. Hooking the Roku to your home network is the first introduction to the remote control. This features all the buttons you could need apart, curiously, from volume, and also includes some shortcut buttons for Netflix and other services. With the Roku Premiere added to your wireless network and activation completed via a phone or desktop browser, it's time to add channels. With hundreds to choose from, this can take a while. All the big names are there: Disney+, Prime, Apple TV, Now TV and YouTube, along with national TV apps, Google Play TV and movies, and many more. You probably won't get to the end of the library, but there is always something to watch, whether free or on subscription. For the purposes of this giveaway, it's also worth mentioning that the Plex and HD HomeRun channel apps are also available on the Roku channel list. Can't find a favourite channel? Well, don't worry, as you can always mirror the content from your mobile, Mac or Windows PC. It's also worth installing the Roku remote app too, just in case you misplace the physical remote. Of course, the Roku Premiere isn't perfect. HDMI Connect, the system that allows your TV remote to control a media streamer or vice versa, seems inconsistent. There is a one-touch play function which apparently uses HDMI Connect, but I couldn't get any joy from it. Screen mirroring 2 works well, but from Windows 10 it is, let's say, best avoided. However, these are minor quibbles. Overall, Roku Premiere is a great media streamer at a surprisingly low price for 4K and HDR support. It's easy to set up, surprisingly simple to use, and to be honest, you probably won't even use your standard TV decoder for days after installing the Roku Premiere, if at all. Enjoy this video? Subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel for tips, tricks, and more hardware giveaways and reviews. Competition time! Make Use Of has teamed up with Plex to give you your own Roku Premiere TV streaming bundle. This is your chance to win a 4K capable Roku Premiere, as well as a HD HomeRun Duo terrestrial TV network streaming box, an internal HD TV UHF antenna, and a LIFETIME Plex Pass. To win, all you need to do is head to the article review and use the competition widget to enter using this special code, We Will Rock You. The winner will be notified by email. The competition ends in around 3 weeks. Why don't you get your entries in ASAP? And good luck.